maker spaghetti place it. Let's do it. I'm so tired. Let's get started. We have to put this green here. This is the maker of the plate. Now we put it here. Wow! Now there we go. Nice and comfy. Now we roll this. When the pasta comes out, it has to be coming it out of it, and in that case the pasta can come out of it. How about I choose the blue to make pasta? There we go. Okay, blue's my favorite. Now we put it here. We mix it like this. Oh, I blue spaghetti, my favorite. Blue spaghetti's done. Some awesome cooking more Play-Doh. Okay, now we mix that blue thing together. Take one, and take one. Now we put the plate in here. Now we take you, Mommy, and roll this up. And when the pasta come out, it has to be rolling very hard. Let me see. The bottom of the spaghetti machine can do everything. Look. I think something's gonna come out. It's coming out. I think the little Play-Doh is coming out. They are so yummy too. We don't eat at home because this is Play-Doh. I think very yummy. Eat it like fake, guys. Now it's the yummy. Now I will make some more pasta. How about we take this container off and put the blue container hydraulic. This is hydraulic. Now let's make some pizza. Some spaghetti. Let's go. There we go. There we go. And there we go. And there we go. There we go. And there we go. We put many of these Play-Doh. Now let me see what we get. Oh no, not yet. First we have to use a big kind of extremely hole. Well, let me see. They are mixing out of hydraulics. This is hydraulic machine. Whoa, it's wiggling. The Play-Doh's not coming out. Now there we go. Let me see what it can do. Thank you, Mommy. I made it blue spaghetti. Smell good. I hope you enjoy this, Adrien. Look at me, guys. See you next time, guys. I hope you'll come back for another video.